he got one. He got one.
This cake down here. That's crazy. Everybody can wait that. My grandma. That's crazy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Go and see my grandma. So
Okay. Can I put these in now? Yeah. Everybody got pictures? Not yet. Oh, not yet. Grandma's still doing pictures. Okay. It looks crazy.
I know where the cake Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you.
What a wingman!
My dad's on probation, so we can't travel. Hey, you can still do state soccer. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Let me assume that. Oh my god! Oh man, that's like the most expensive one you could get.
Here.
Oh, it's not in order.
Back up.
Yeah, the knife. The birthday cake.
Oh, yeah, that's a hunting kit.
Yeah, and a birthday cake.
Yep.
That's cool.
Hey, Grandpa. Grandma.
Hunting on your
Oh, it has cute. Yeah, it's nice. I gave it to Ted already. We're not cool.
Yeah, first aid kit.
Yeah, but okay, let's do this first.
Okay, keep it all in there, buddy.
I know.
Not kill him.
I know.
Ah, this is not for sure. Not until and they go down and you can make like a
You have that stuff at your book there?
yeah. What are you talking about? All we had was
Oh, that's cool.
I have books.
I need pants. All I wear is this thing.
Oh, wait, I've read that before.
Wait, is that no, I know what Among Us. Oh my god, it's an Among Us. Well, I know what the game is. It's Among Us. Let me see it. Here, Ty. Where do you want me to put this? Oh no. Ty, you want some book?
Oh, it's one of these kinds. Oh, that's cool.
What is it, a Chinese book?
Yeah.
You read it.
Oh, you're present. You're present.
What is it?
Headset.
Oh my god.
Oh my
No way,
god.
Tag, you're gonna have better hearing than I can.
Go and look at headset.